Good morning students. Today again we are going to start with the chapter Atoms and Molecule, and today's topic is the mole concept. Now beginning with the topic, continuing with the formula unit and formula unit mass. Now what is formula unit mass? The term formula unit mass is used for those substances whose constituent particles are ions, like for example NaCl, which is the commonest example which you are doing from the earlier classes. Similarly, one example is calcium oxide, that is CaO. Continuing further, if we talk about formula unit mass is calculated in the same way as the molecular mass. Taking one example, the chemical formula of nitric oxide, we know it is HNO3, and hydrogen has mass number 1U, nitrogen has 14U, and oxygen has 16U. So in one formula unit of HNO3, there are one hydrogen atom, one nitrogen, and 3 oxygen. So putting the value 1 into 1 plus 14 into 1 plus 16 into 3. So 1 plus 14 plus 48, that is 63U. So it is the same as we calculate the molecular mass. Now continuing further, the chemical formula of sodium oxide is Na2O, and we know the atomic mass of sodium is 23U and atomic mass of oxygen is 16U. If one formula unit of Na2O, there are 2 sodium atom and 1 oxygen atom, the formula unit mass will be equal to 2 into 23 plus 1 into 16, that is 46 plus 16, so it is equal to 62U. So it is the similar way of calculating the molecular mass, but it is the term is formula unit. Okay. Now continuing further, if we talk further the mole concept. So if we talk about the mole concept, 1 mole of a substance, atom, molecule or ions or the particles is a quantity in a number having a mass equal to its atomic or molecular mass in the gram. 1 mole of any substance contains 6.02 to 10 raised to power 23 particles of atom, molecules or ion. If we say that 1 dozen is equal to 12 number, then 1 mole is equal to how much? 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 number, or the number may contain, it may be atoms, it may be molecules or it may be ions. So this means that 1 mole atom of any substance contains 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms. Similarly, 1 mole molecule of any substance contain how much molecules, that is 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 molecules. And 1 mole of ion of any substance, it also contain how much the ions? 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 ions, right? The number 6.22 into 10 raised to power 23 is experimentally obtained value and is known as Avogadro's number or Avogadro's constant, and it is represented by the notation, that is and it is represented by the notation n naught. Okay, n ke niche 0. So it is named after the Italian scientist. The Italian scientist was Amedeo Avogadro. So if we talk about the mole concept, सीधी सी बात है, what is the mole concept में अगर हम बात करें, एक मोल, 1 मोल है, ढेर है किसका? It may be of atoms, it may be of molecules or it may be of ions. Okay, और एक मोल जो है नंबर में किसके बराबर है? इट इज इक्वल टू हाउ मच? 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23. These may be atoms or molecules or the ions. Okay, continuing further, if we talk on 1 mole atoms of an element has mass equal to gram atomic mass of that element. Hence the mass of 1 mole molecule is its equal to molecular mass in grams. The atomic mass of an element is the mass of its atom and its unit is U. By taking same numerical value of atomic mass and changing your unit from U to G, now we know that molecular mass is in the U. So if we talk about 1 mole, then the mass is taken as molar mass and unit changes from U to G. So the mass of 1 mole of atom of that element is obtained. the mass of 1 mole of an atom is known as molar mass of atom or gram atomic mass or gram atom. So what is the mass of 1 mole of a, if we talk about 1 mole of the atom, that is equal to the molar mass, and molar mass is also known as gram atomic mass. So for example, the atomic mass of nitrogen is 4U, right? एटॉमिक मास का तो हमें पता है, एंड ग्राम एटॉमिक मास यानी कि मोलर मास उसका कितना होगा 14G. ओके, similarly the molecular mass of a substance gives the mass of a molecule of that substance in atomic mass unit. Therefore, as discussed earlier, by taking the same numerical value of molecular mass and by changing its unit from U to G, molecular mass में unit is U, and in molar mass or mass in gram atomic mass the mass unit is G. The mass of 1 mole molecule of that substance can be obtained. Therefore, the mass of 1 mole molecule of any substance is equal to gram molecular mass of that substance. Okay, तो 1 mole of a substance, so if we say 1 mole of a substance, उसका मास किसके बराबर है, that is equal to its gram atomic mass. Now the relationship between the mole, Avogadro number and the mass. For example, if I say 1 mole of a particle that may contain atom, molecule or ion, it is equal to how much of number of that is 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 atom, molecules or ion, and that is equal to the relative mass of those particles in grams. Similarly, he is saying 1 mole of molecules, अगर हम molecules की बात करते हैं तो उसका नंबर किसके बराबर है 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 number of molecules और molecular mass in grams. ऐसे अगर हम atoms की बात करते हैं 1 mole of a atom